Hello traders, the title of this video is how RSI traders use the RSI chart pattern with precision. Let's get started. The financial instrument that we are analyzing is Tide Water Incorporation, EPIC TDW Tango Delta Whiskey. This is an American stock that belongs to the energy sector, oil and gas equipment and services. And today we want to talk about how RSI traders use the RSI chart pattern. For new traders, the RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index indicator, a momentum indicator. I'm on the monthly charts, and we're going to talk about how we can use the RSI chart pattern. So we are not looking at the chart itself, all right, and we are looking down, all right, which is not the best practice. Normally, the price is the number one indicator, all right. But the purpose of this video is to show traders how other RSI traders use the RSI chart pattern. I recommend to traders to check also the link below this video about RSI charts. Okay. Now let's begin our demonstrations. Here we can see that the RSI period 14 has exhibited a double top chart pattern. So if you were here, now though I'm on a monthly chart, we can apply this strategy on a daily chart, hourly time frame, 2-hour time frame, 30-minute time frame. But if you go below those time frame, you go to 50-minute time, you can apply it, but be careful if those are market noise. If you're on a 3-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 10-minute time frame, applying this strategy is a market noise. The best option is to go, for instance, to a daily chart or 2-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, weekly chart, monthly chart, and to identify a specific RSI chart pattern and use that as a trading setup. All right. So you have to wait for the pattern to be formed completely. So don't assume, because if you are here, it's coming up like this. Don't just assume that as it reaches this level, it's already a double top. The price, the RSI, correction, the RSI must start going down before you can think of the double top. So don't prematurely call it a double top or another chart pattern if the pattern is not yet in place. All right, this is very important. So we will have, in this situation, we'll have wait. So as you reach this level, it's becoming clear to us that it looks like a double top. Yes or no? Now, the best way to trade the RSI pattern, all right, is for instance here you see the double top. It's telling you that the momentum has peaked. So the momentum is like the speed of the price. So, all right, the speed has peaked. All right, so that's a maximum speed. All right, but now if this, so it's like you are driving. All right, you go from 40 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour. Now you reach 70 miles per hour on the motorway, which is the limit in London here. And now you say, okay, all right, I want to bring it down. Now you start pulling it down to 50 miles per hour. What will happen? The car will slow down. So, but as the time when your speed has peaked, the car is still going up at a full speed. All right. But now that the speed is start coming down, you expect the car to slow down. Now, in theory, it makes sense. All right. But when we are talking about trading, it's not exactly the same thing, but there are similarities. Okay. So, in order to avoid just applying this strategy like 1 + 1 = 2, which is not the case. So you are saying that, okay, momentum has peaked. How is shown that the momentum will start going down, and possibility that the price will come down. All right. So one option is to wait for the price to break below the bullish trend line. So here is you form a double top, momentum has peaked, draw your trend line. So though the double top was in place since that time, the signal to sell or the trading setup to sell was in fact right here. You see, but the pattern was already in place. But a lot of RSI traders that are using the RSI pattern usually will make a lot of trading mistake because they will just sell here. But because if you sell here, you are selling the RSI indicator, not the price. But now the price should now give us the warning. So this is the warning: break below, retest. Now we have a bearish trading setup after the double top or bearish RSI chart pattern. And one more time, there was another opportunity here. It probably went back again up to retest it, pull back. Okay, but we are focusing on this one here. So RSI double top, probably break below the bearish trend line, retest it. That's it. Not before. Okay. All right. Patiently. One more time, there was oops. So I moved that. So there's another one here. Maybe you will disagree, but feel free to disagree. Call it this one a head and shoulder chart pattern. Will you call this pattern a head and shoulder chart pattern for the RSI? Let me know in the comment section. So if you call it a head and shoulder chart pattern for the RSI, as now from here, as it start coming down up to this point, we can call it a head and shoulder RSI chart pattern, okay? But not before. But then a lot of traders will sold it straight away here. Now, they were lucky here because the price started coming down straight away. They were lucky here. This is just the price structure here. 1, 2, 3. All right, area where traders know about this. 1, 2, 3. All right. So price went up first, pull back, invitation to buy. People responded, and price went up 1, 2, 3. Minimum price move is free, and RSI forming the head and shoulder chart pattern right here. Advanced traders were selling. But for this tutorial, my recommendation is that traders wait patiently. All right, wait patiently. Yet again, you can see that the trend line is kaput, and the price was retesting it right here. You see here? This is what a lot of people are waiting for. So if you are patient, you will see that a lot of professional traders are waiting for that because they don't want to risk it. All right. Understand that those professional traders are risking millions. So this is not like okay, $10,000 trading account. Those are millions dollars trading account. All right. And they are very patient. Break below, retest in an orderly manner. And now, so what I'm saying here, we have identified a head and shoulder chart pattern on the RSI. Now the price break below the bullish trend line and retest it here. Now our trading setup is right here. So because we are technical trader, we must now implement what we call a top-down trading method. So this is a trading setup for swing trader or position trader. He or she will use the monthly chart for trading setup, the daily chart for the signal, and the hourly time frame for the entry. We can break it down all the way to the 10-minute time frame. All right? So talking about how RSI traders use the RSI chart pattern with precision, you can see that if you know how to trade it, you will make some excellent trading decision. Can you see more chart pattern on this chart here? All right. So if you call this one now, let's try something like this. Feel free to disagree with my observation. I don't mind. Okay, I don't mind. Okay. So if you call this one, can you call this one an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern for the RSI? So again, the same thing we will do. So once you see the pattern, the RSI exhibits the pattern, don't rush. Understand that one is not trading the RSI itself. One is trading the price. So in fact, this is a good one because the price itself has formed also a double bottom chart pattern. This is a confirmation. RSI exhibited an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern at the time when the price is also forming a double bottom chart pattern. So what you will do here, you will draw a line here. You will say priority to bullish signal above that horizontal line using a top-down trading method to trade it, and also not ignoring the market patterns. Okay? One of the biggest trading mistakes is the violation of the market pattern. So it does not matter whether you are using the area wave, the RSI, the stochastic, the CCI. There are 6 biggest trading mistakes that traders should avoid. You can go to www.dayprotrader.com, know all the 6 biggest trading mistakes. So if you purchase, for instance, a trading system or you have your own trading strategy, you have to apply those trading methods in line, okay, in view, okay, to bypass those 6 biggest trading mistakes. So the same thing applies to this strategy that we are discussing here using the RSI chart pattern. All right. So will you agree that? Okay, let's look at another one here. Can you see something else? So apart from the RSI chart pattern, yesterday, I recorded another video, and the title of that video was "How do other traders use the relative strength index indicators?" That video was posted at the Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, and I want you to refer to that video because it will help you also to improve your RSI trading. So in that tutorial, I was talking about another way traders were trading the RSI indicator. And today, we are looking at a different aspect, how other traders are using the RSI indicator. I need to remind traders that I do not personally use the RSI chart pattern for my trading method. But I'm bringing it out here because I'm not the only one in the financial market. And there are various ways traders use the RSI oscillator. Okay? All right. Will you call this one round bottom? All right. In fact, it is. Yeah, it is a round bottom because it looks to me. Feel free to disagree or feel free to laugh and say, "George, I love you, but this one I disagree." Here we are. Does it look like a copper handle here to you? To me, it looks like it. So the RSI indicator has formed a copper handle chart pattern here. Let me know whether you agree or not, okay, in the comment section. So you see that again one more time. Look at the price itself, the number 1 indicator. What's going on here? Similar situation. Okay, kind of a cup, a handle, okay? So if you want to know more about the cup and handle trading, go to www.stochastic-body.com, click on cup and handle trading. All right. Are you getting it now? All right, let me know whether you find this video useful or not, or whether it's another blah, 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 blah from George. All right. Okay. All right. Now, in all cases, right, one must apply top-down trading method. These are ignoring economy news, the fundamentals, and the market pattern. The market patterns are so important. I talk about it, I think that George, it will save you all kind of problems. All right. So you design a trading strategy, but you want to apply within the rules. Talking about the 6 biggest trading mistakes. Consolidation is taking place here. You are aware of it. It's taking place. You can't ignore it. All right, and so on. Okay. So trader may say to me, what's happening to this stock now? Tidewater Incorporation. So we have a consolidation here. You can see price break below it. We project it down. What we call market geometry. And this will help you to know possible reversal point. With the market, you can combine the market geometry with the RSI. Okay, something like that. So price, you see, though it's going down like this, it's just popping it down. People say, where is it going? Where is it going? Professional know where is it going. With this channel at the top here, you see what is happening? I'm going to show you now. As we projected the first time, here we have the median line here. You see what is happening? The median line of the second channel is this one here. Just want to talk about this one very fast. Okay, so it went all the way down to the lower part and then bounced up to retest. People sold it again down. Now where is it going? The second channel, you see, the second projected channel. And one more time, If we draw the median line of that, you'll see the same reaction again. So it went below the median line and retest it again, and people are now selling it, bringing it near this level. Though the RSI is oversold, pointing to a support level, the support level is still here. All right. So this is the end of this tutorial, a short tutorial about how RSI traders use the RSI chart pattern with precision. All right, so traders are looking for double top, head and shoulder chart pattern, round bottom, any ordinary, okay, chart pattern on the RSI indicator itself, not the chart. Once they identify either a bullish or bearish chart pattern on the RSI, as RSI exhibits bullish or bearish chart pattern, they will acknowledge that, but then they will switch their attention to the price, okay, waiting for a trend line to be taken out, all right, waiting for confirmation that will expose, okay, a valid trading setup before they will implement a top-down trading method to trade it. All right. So if you have any question or suggestion, well, feel free to put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. One more thing before we go. I recommend to traders to check the link below this video at Day Pro Trader. It's an RSI chart. I talk about one specific RSI trading strategy. Look at it and see whether, okay, you can master it. So the first thing you do, learn it, practice, master it, and if you like it, then you own it, all right, for free. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about how RSI traders use the RSI chart patterns with precision. Speak to you soon.